I hope you're having a great time. I'm Kelly from The Power of Makeup. Everyone knows that dark spots nowadays are a common problem for every girl. And skin with pigmentation is terrible. Dark spots are not a serious medical condition or disease. It is most of a social problem as dark spot skin usually does not look very beautiful. So today I'm going to tell you some home remedies which will really help you to remove dark spots. So today I'm going to show you 3 home remedies which will really help you to remove dark spots. We are going to start with our first remedy, and for first remedy we are going to use honey, because honey is naturally antibacterial, so it's great to acne treatment and prevention. It is also antioxidant, slows down aging effect and boost complexion. Then lemon juice. Lemon juice acts as a bleach to your lips and giving you clean and white skin. Then apple juice. Apple juice has high level of minerals and vitamins which makes it ideal for skin health. The process is to first you have to clean your face, then apply hot water soaked towel on face to open up your face pores. The solution is very water. You can apply it on your face with your fingers, or you can use soft brush to apply whatever best works for your face. Once you have applied all over your face, let it be there on your face for 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, you can do your work. After that, you can clean it washing your face. Now the second remedy. For the second remedy, we are only using 2 things: almonds and honey. We can make peeling scrub at home by crushing almonds and mixing it with mild cream or honey. I'm using honey because I already told you honey is naturally antibacterial and is very good for acne treatment. Apply and massage the scrub in circular motion over the face. Allow it to remain for about 5 minutes or so. Then repeat the massage and wash your face with cold water. Broken wheat or any other cereal ground will also serve the purpose instead of almonds. I'm using almonds because almonds are used to remove dead skin cells from your skin. However, almonds also nourish the skin and can benefit the texture and complexion of the skin with regular use. For the third remedy, we are using barley flour. It naturally lightens dark skin color and add whitish shade to skin. Then yogurt, which nourish the skin. Honey removes wrinkles. And almonds, it moisturizes skin. Now take 2 teaspoons of barley flour, 1 and then 2, then 2 teaspoons of yogurt, two teaspoons of almonds, after adding 2 teaspoons of almonds, add 1 teaspoon of honey into it. Now mix all 4 ingredients very well. After making the paste, apply this paste on your face for 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, wash your face with warm water for an instant result. Dark spots or pigmentation are caused due to oversecretion of the skin coloring pigment known as melanin. Hormones influence the production of melanin, and health disorders that adversely affect the hormone balance cause the oversecretion of melanin. Such conditions cause dark spots or pigmentation and appear as small patches all over the body. Hormonal changes during pregnancy and the intake of certain medications can cause this type of discoloration. Vitamin deficiency, mineral deficiency, intestinal disorders, or stress too can cause mild to moderate dark spots. Hope to see you again with other magical remedies. All remedies, procedures, and ingredients are given in description, so you can check the description if you miss anything. And do not forget to click the subscribe button. Thanks.